Hey guys, welcome to Magic Gimmick Tutorials. I'm really excited to present you the first episode of the series, which is introduction. Anyways, let's get right into it. So the introduction, I'm just gonna briefly read through it. Let's get right into it. So I'll just zoom in so you guys can see the paragraphs. So you like magic tricks? Why? If you're into this, you like to perform in front of audiences, like home, school, even community festivals. There are some great tips in this book that will help you create an amazing magic show. So if you just like learning some magic tricks to do in front of your family and close friends, that is fine too. Either way, the book is for you, and there are 101 magic tricks, in fact, in this book. It'll keep everyone entertained for months. I don't really need to read the rest of the paragraph, but I'll just tell you what it's about briefly. They just give you the myths and legends of culture throughout the world. Have you heard of Merlin, the magician? And he said chunking after Arthur to become the King of England, but you probably don't want to know that, but you can still read it if you have the book. But anyways, we're just going to go over just the top 2 paragraphs in the book, because really that's what the book is about, entertaining your audience and stuff like that. Anyways, thank you for watching the first part of the video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Comment if you are enjoying the series so far. Next video will be about like getting started. As you can see here, it says getting started, page 6. Yes, we will do that next. Alright, see ya.